Buying rice powder for your skincare product, like you are making your soap. Okay, you can actually make your rice powder yourself. This is my rice powder that I made today. It's very simple. This the rice here, as you can see. It's normal rice that we eat. There's nothing like one special thing about this thing. This is normal rice that we eat. You can use it if you have a blender. You can actually blend this to a fine powder, but because I wanted something very clear and bright, okay, I wanted something very smooth, so I took it to the people that blend things in the market, in my local market, okay, because I went somewhere so I went to buy items, okay, so someone was buying this rice powder for just 2 spoon for almost this thing 2 spoon for almost $1. That is 1,000 naira in Nigerian money. So I was just wondering, I said, wow, it's quite expensive, honestly. Just 2 tablespoons, and they added small, let's say 2.5 tablespoons. So I'm just wondering if I'm meant to sell this. Definitely I will sell this for almost like $6. You know what it is, okay? So I just took this rice to the market. Just make sure that your rice is clean. So as you can see, this rice is very clean. There's no dirty inside. Just know the kind of rice that you're using. So I took it to the market and I blended this 1 cup. I blended a whole this. I didn't even spend how much. Let's use $0.2. That should be 200 naira that I spent to blend this that you are seeing right here. If I'm meant to sell this, I can sell this for like 6,000. Okay, so you don't need to spend that much because you want to make a skincare product. You can, there are some lots of powders that you can actually formulate yourself. So I formulated this powder myself and I can use this for a year. It will not go bad. So that is how it is. Very simple, because rice powder is very good, especially when you are producing your body soap, especially the organic soap. We use it a lot. Rice powder is very good in brightening up your skin complexion, getting rid of pigmentation, giving you a clearer, smoother skin. Rice powder is very good to smooth your skin. I'm telling you the truth, to smooth your skin. It will make you feel younger. It will make you look younger, honestly. That's why you see rice cream, rice powder, rice serum, rice facial mask and all that. And it's being sold for a whole lot of money. And there is nothing special added inside here. As you can see, this just ordinary rice. Just ordinary rice that you're seeing here. Nothing is added inside here. If at all, maybe they added some whitening powder to it, I would have bought it. So just ordinary rice powder. So you can make this at home. And when you're making it, you are sure of what you are using in your skincare products. So it's very easy. This is the rice here. You just ask people where they blend soya beans, where they blend like plantain flour and all that. In your local market, they have it there. Just tell them you want to blend your rice, any quantity, they will blend it for you, and it's not even expensive. If you are making your black soap, if you are pro-mixing your body soap, which I'm going to be doing more of soap now in my video, so that you can see how to make use of rice powder. So just go and do this and thank me later, because it's very good for the skin. So that's what I have for you today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin. Do take care of your health. See you in my next video.